Hi everyone, it's Mike with Living Wisconsin. I want to thank you for watching today. If you're tuning in, I'll bet your dust collection hose isn't quite fitting to the port on the tools in your shop, such as this DeWalt table saw behind me. Solution? PVC. I'm going to show you how to stretch this. The situation is, I have this dust collection hose. I don't want to rip. This port is a little bit bigger than I'd care to stretch this. I have 2-inch PVC tubing. I kept this a little bit longer. This isn't going to be the finished length by any means. I'm going to use it for leverage. I'm going to heat this up with the heat gun. And then we're going to stuff that right inside that hole. It'll form real nice. And you'll have a perfect adapter. You're also going to need a heat gun. Put that on high. We're going to do this real time. Don't forget, a pair of gloves. You don't want to burn yourself. We're going to heat this up. As much as you really want this to go into that port, that's where you're going to want to heat this. And you can see I'm turning this. If you're holding it too long in one place, the PVC will start to turn brown. First time I did this, I thought, geez, that PVC is going to melt. It won't. It'll turn into almost like a rubber band. Real soft and pliable. This doesn't take too long, so you want to bear with me a few seconds here. Keep the PVC turning, moving. It gives it a nice even heat. And then when we're done with this, we can cut it to whatever length that we want sticking out of our port. Okay. If you're wondering if it's hot enough, put your heat gun down, you'll be able to see this. Oh, not quite yet. That much movement. Keep heating. Usually takes about 2 minutes. When you go to insert this into the adapter, you're going to want to make sure that your tool is stationary. Mine is screwed down to the temporary table I have set up for it. So this will not be going anywhere when I push it. I chose to go up to the inside diameter of that port. I already tried stretching it to the outside, 2-inch PVC. It didn't have enough pliability to make it around the outside diameter, so we're going inside. Okay, that should do it. You can see that's moving. We'll stick that in there. This is where gloves are important. Stick it in there. Just wiggle it around and keep working it in there. And hold it. You'll be able to move it up, down, left, right, while that PVC is still soft. Hold it in place for about 30 seconds or so. This cast is already kind of cool. In my basement here, it's kind of cold down here, about 65 degrees, so this metal's cold. Helps cool the PVC, I guess is the point. As soon as it cools off a little bit, it holds its form. That should do it. And as you can see, we have a decrease in diameter from that point to there. Twist it in, that's a nice tight fit. Let's cut this and attach our hose. Okay, we're all set. Hose is attached, clamp is on, right to the PVC. We'll plug that in. Hook that up to our dust collection and we're ready to go. So I hope you can use some of this information in your own shop. I want to thank you for tuning in today. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button below. Really appreciate it. It helps keep the channel going. Till next time.